December 1st, 2018, 9:22 a.m. Hasn't let up. It's pretty much been like this since I got up. Honestly, this is about the little bit lightest of what it's been. It's been raining non-stop before I woke up even. At least in my area it has. And we'll just out the back of the garage taking a look. You can see the darkness. Those are little cells full of liquid. Obviously, they will be coming down shortly. A little bit heavier, more than not. Alright everybody, be safe out there. Peace out. December 1st, 2018. It's almost 1 p.m. It's 12:57 p.m. Skyview. It's cleared up enough to where I feel comfortable bringing out the camera. When I was doing the first one, I literally just opened up the door to the garage and looked outside, and it was terrible. It's just coming down like sheets of water. Well, that's usually what it does when it rains. Doing a sky view. There's north. That's northwest. West. Southwest. Sun's really giving off. I mean, it's got like extra 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's white. Still white. During the day it's white. South, southeast, to the east, to the northeast, and back up north we go. Nothing above my head. I don't know what the deal is. It's probably because there's been so much clouds I can't see it, but there's a shiny guy. I don't know if the camera's gonna get it. It's zoomed all the way out. It's up in there somewhere. Yeah, I'm sure the camera's getting it. I'm just not seeing it through that little peephole. It looks like we're probably getting ready to hit round 2 right here pretty soon, so we'll see what happens. Alright everybody, be safe out there. Peace out. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. See if anything different's going on. Okay. I'm seeing 1, 2, and almost the 3rd reflection. Lens flare. Almost got 3 lens flares. And just like I was saying, look at that. Those beams are cranked up right now. Wow. Alright everybody, be safe out there. Peace out. Alright, December 1st, 2018, 1:05 p.m. Let's stare at the sun for a minute. I'm probably going to do just a stare at the clouds, how fast they've rolled in. And it's weird is the air down low is going the opposite direction as the clouds. It's going against the clouds. I can see that. It's gonna give it to me with that right there. I'm catching it as rainbowish, just staring at it. I don't know if the camera's gonna get it or not. So yeah, I just did a earlier sky view, not even 10 minutes ago. And then here you go. There you have it. Everything was to the north. It's clear. Now it's just closing up. Yet the wind is coming from there, from the east. Go figure. Boy, we're losing light quick all of a sudden. Yeah, I'm sure there's going to be more rain coming. Try to get a little zoom in on this. Alright everybody, peace out. Alright, this is an update to the sky view. It is December 1st, 2008, 1:09 p.m. Sorry, I meant 2018. 2008. Okay, we are on the tripod and this is how fast the clouds are moving. Yet the wind is going the opposite way down here. So if the clouds are going to the left of the screen, the wind is blowing towards the right of the screen. The clouds are going against the wind. I'm sure that has to do with something with high and low pressure. More than likely. Alright everybody, be safe out there. Peace out.